In this presentation, we're going to show how general contractors saved a boatload of time by using the Galaxy platform. Their superintendents, project managers, and support staff cut the time spent updating schedules, scheduling subcontractors, and managing project documents by 25%. We'll share a couple of case studies with you in a few minutes. But just so you know, Galaxy One helps construction management, property management, and nonprofit organizations. We've helped companies ditch their spreadsheets, eliminate redundant tasks, and increase the productivity of their project managers by at least 25%. Before they implemented the Galaxy One platform, these organizations were managing their businesses with Excel spreadsheets and off-the-shelf software programs. We helped them transition to our cloud-based solutions. Now, instead of making dozens of calls and countless emails, Galaxy's clients can communicate information to all team members and partners in just a few minutes. So who is this solution for? See if this situation sounds familiar. You're a general contractor or trade contractor who has plenty of projects to build. Your team is overworked and you're struggling to find qualified project managers to hire. Your clients are pressuring you to complete their projects. You have more work waiting for your company. You and your team are buried in paperwork. No one can keep up with the emails and phone calls about project schedules. Maybe you've tried off-the-shelf software, but the gap between the platform and your needs is extremely frustrating. So your team reverts to their outdated, time-consuming methods using handwritten schedules and spreadsheets. You know that your existing clients are frustrated with you. You're missing out on opportunities for new work. Your employees feel maxed out, yet they're being pushed harder. You need a solution that helps everyone work smarter, not harder. You need a software solution that is 100% useful, that truly fits the way your business operates. Not just 80 or 90%, but totally, fully fits your needs. Just for some quick background, meet John Jaroska, the founder of Galaxy Software. He holds a bachelor's degree in MIS from Akron University, so if you're a technical mind, he can speak your language. From a very early age, John knew that solving problems with software was his life purpose. While still in elementary school, he wrote his first application to solve a Rubik's Cube. Then he developed an inventory system for his mother, who ran her own business. He got his first real developer job in 1994, working in a printing facility. From there, he worked for a billion-dollar consulting firm. And after 6 years of writing software applications on the side, it was finally time to go out on his own. Galaxy Software helps companies realize meaningful savings by implementing software and technology. To date, Galaxy has developed a construction management platform, property management application, and a church management application. Galaxy has an inventory system that tracks receipts and shipments all over the world from dozens of branch locations within the United States. We serve niche markets with robust, cloud-based applications. So that's great, but what does this mean for you? Let's talk a minute about some of the myths we hear every day when talking with contractors. The most common myth we hear is that scheduling spreadsheets are good enough. In today's competitive construction market, using Excel and Access for scheduling is simply not good enough. Forcing employees to do redundant, time-consuming tasks leads to mistakes, frustration, burnout, and eventually job change. Spreadsheets cannot provide the level of detail that clients expect and deserve. For example, when PrideOne switched from spreadsheets to the Galaxy One software solution, their separate, redundant schedules were eliminated. Impacts to critical path items became immediately apparent, and they now have a secured system with real-time sharing. So you think your team knows what's going on? Communication is the biggest challenge on every project. Often one person is the communication bottleneck. With Galaxy's automated emails, it's super fast to share info with everyone impacted by a particular scope or schedule change. A primary time-saving tool within the Galaxy platform is the automated alerts for key activities. Subcontractors appreciate the immediate change notification because no trade or supplier is overlooked. Galaxy helps increase efficiency throughout the trade and supplier network. Plus, clients love always knowing what's happening with their building and site. As soon as you print project documents, they go stale, which means you can't ever assume that a hard copy is current. In the job site trailer, you may be looking at prints without realizing that a particular wall in the bathroom has been moved, or that additional outlets were added to all the offices on 3 floors. How would you know that the architect issued a new version? You wouldn't. Not without software to give you those alerts. With Galaxy, the most current version of drawings and schedules are always immediately available and easy to find. Most importantly, all team members are notified when a new plan version is issued. We're often asked, can I give Galaxy Portal access to my architects and engineers? The answer is absolutely. The whole point of having a central document repository is so that everyone has the latest and greatest information. Plus, all team members receive alerts when new info is added. We've heard so many times that custom software is too expensive. But the downside of doing nothing costs exponentially more. Employees get frustrated with the amount of time spent on redundant tasks. Clients get irritated by slow response times and outdated info. And your business misses out on new opportunities and top talent. But the solution doesn't have to be expensive. The standard Galaxy One CM platform handles most of what general contractors need and is easily and affordably customizable to your exact needs. With Galaxy One's contract workflow alone, you're able to start recouping your software cost in just a few weeks as employees waste less time on administrative tasks. The software literally starts paying for itself. Do you see how you too can start saving time, money, and resources today and do more with less? Galaxy is the solution. We provide a robust platform to manage your schedules and documents at an affordable price. Plus, the platform can be customized to be 100% useful to your specific operation. So you have two options. Let's discuss the first one being if you choose the hard way. You can do nothing. Keep doing things the way you've been doing, living with out-of-date spreadsheets, forcing project managers to spend long hours sending updates to clients and subcontractors. You can find software on your own, then patch together 2 or 3 disconnected systems that probably don't talk to each other, leaving you with frustrating and sizable gaps. You can buy one off-the-shelf package that does most of what you need, but the software is usually very expensive and can't be customized. That's what the hard way looks like. Or you can choose the easy way with Galaxy. We're with you every step of the way. We provide you with the support you need to fully transition your project scheduling and document management operations to the cloud. We ensure the info your managers need is accessible from anywhere. We provide a robust platform at an affordable price, which can be customized to be 100% useful to your specific operation and integrated with your existing software. Let's circle back to the case studies we promised earlier. Pride One is an Ohio-based general contractor that constructs commercial, hotel, healthcare, industrial, and residential buildings. Before they started implementing Galaxy One CM, they managed scheduling either by hand with Excel spreadsheets or off-the-shelf software programs. We help them transition to our cloud-based scheduling system that allows them to communicate the schedule to all team members in just a few minutes, instead of making dozens of calls and emails. Using our system, Pride One estimates they reduce time spent communicating schedule updates and changes to their subcontractors and clients by at least 25%. Before Pride One transitioned to the Galaxy Document Management Portal, every team member could move, delete, save, or create documents whenever they wanted. There were numerous versions of each document, some saved over shared drives or Dropbox, others on local computers, and no one was sure if they had the correct or most current version, and they had no idea where to search for documents. The Galaxy platform gave Pride One a cloud-based solution with built-in parameters and procedures that ensure document storage consistency and compliance. Because it guides users step-by-step through document creation, storage, and management, the portal is easy to use, even for employees who are not confident technology users. Built-in features prevent documents from being deleted, stored in the wrong places, or left partially completed. Most importantly, the platform allows people to log in and pull real-time data whenever they need it, and make sure everyone has the right information. Pride One realized that as they strengthened their processes, the overall quality of their information greatly increased. Printing and paper costs were reduced by 11%. More importantly, Galaxy ended up saving a lot of employees a lot of time. Employees could work on more meaningful matters instead of more administrative work, which was a big morale booster. So, who is this for? Contractors who want to gain a competitive advantage and save money by improving scheduling efficiency and document management practices. Galaxy is ideal for commercial general contractors, home builders, trade contractors, and suppliers with 5 to 125 employees and revenue of $300,000 to $150 million. Contractors with multiple ongoing projects will likely see the greatest benefit. We help contractors ditch their spreadsheets and other silo methods, communicate with their subcontractors, owners, and PMs in real time, and eliminate redundant tasks, all to increase productivity and reduce cost. A primary time-saving tool within the Galaxy platform is the automated alerts for key activities. This decreases the amount of phone calls and emails that your project manager has to deal with on a daily basis, so your team stays focused on managing the project timelines. When the schedule changes, no subcontractor or supplier is overlooked. Galaxy's automated emails are sent to everyone impacted by a particular scope change. You'll get rid of most of those pesky emails and phone calls with schedule questions because the Galaxy system automatically sends updates to all subcontractors, PMs, and suppliers affected. Subcontractors appreciate increased efficiency due to immediate notification of schedule changes. When it's after hours and your subcontractor or client needs to know the exact status of the project, the info is immediately available to them on the web portal. Clients love always knowing what's happening with their building and site. The portal gives vendors, project managers, trade contractors, and employees permission to log in and access the most current documents they need. It gives you the ability to control very specific access for owners to view your daily site logs as the reports are completed. Using document versioning gives your legal department the ability to view every version of the document to determine its life cycle. Having multiple versions of the same document filed in multiple locations is eliminated, so everyone is on the same page. When a new document version is uploaded, the system will send out alerts that a new version is available. Here are some of the frequently asked questions we hear. Will this work for me if I'm a blank? Let's say a restoration company. Of course. This software manages your projects, schedules, documents, and site logs no matter what kind of general contractor you happen to be. What happens if it doesn't work? If after 3 months you're not satisfied, you simply cancel the service. You get your data in exports and we part ways. No hard feelings. It's just that simple. What is the cost? There is a one-time $2,500 setup fee. After that, it's $450 a month plus a $50 per month per user fee. Can I afford this? Yes, of course. Just think of it this way. If you were going to go out and buy all the individual software programs to do all that Galaxy One can do, you would spend tens of thousands of dollars each month. Not only that, but the time this will save your staff, depending on the number of users you sign up, the return on investment is less than a year. Can you import my current data? Yes. If you can provide your data in one of the supported formats, this won't be a problem at all. What is the transition process? We would gather some initial information in order to set up your cloud environment, and then we will train the number of people at your company to get used to the software, and away you go. How long will it take to get up and running? Usually it takes about a week to get set up and your staff trained, and after that, it's all savings. What distinguishes you from everyone else? Our software not only manages your projects, schedules, documents, and site logs, but it manages your whole company through resource calendars, vacation requests, and a variety of other checklist modules. What exactly are you promising, and what evidence do you have to back up these promises and claims? We're promising to start saving you time and money as soon as your staff is trained on the platform. As we showed you, we have several client success stories that show this works. How do I present this to my team? We're available in person or by setting up a remote Zoom meeting to help you present this to your management team. What are the typical contract terms? The contracts are month to month unless you would like to commit to a yearly contract, in which case there's a price break. What type of support do you offer? We offer 24-hour response time on your support requests. This is better than the industry standard for cloud software of 48 hours. Where did you get the idea to offer this solution? My family's in the construction business as a general contractor, and I developed the scheduling system for them, and they liked it. So, well, they wanted more. The rest is history. So are you ready to increase your project manager's productivity? We have limited onboarding slots available each month, so schedule a private demo today.